Welcome back to Shedtune, the Shedtune HQ, and yes, we've been away for a little while, so I can only apologise. I've been on holiday and Dom's had work issues, etc, but we're back now. We're back on the Sprinter and we've made a little bit of progress, so I'll show you around now. We've got the bodywork mocked up, all of the supports are now done, and I'm going to insert some clips here of Dom finishing the welding.
As you can see, I'm here on my own. So Russ has buggered off to Andorra, snowboarding, and left me on my own to do this. And also, there you go, Pete, it's up on the fridge. So, the plate you saw me cutting earlier, that will go on the inside welded in there, and that'll be tucked in there, welded to that back plate, and then we'll make some kind of fixing on the back there and give a bit of rigidity. Right, there we go.
We've had some more stickers in from the Washington Posse SC from Paul Ted Curdance. Thank you very much, sir. We'll get them up on the board. So as you can see, the fridge is getting full up with stickers, and the sticker board's doing all right. We've got the sticker cupboard, and we've got the Posse SC on there, and also up there on the old Posse, yeah. What you got over there then, Dom? What you're hiding from me?
Nothing.
I think you are.
We got giveaways.
What, t-shirts?
Apparently so.
Free t-shirts?
Yeah.
To be given away on the channel?
Yeah, look. Anyone will think we're professional.
Well, we're definitely not professionals. We're more like overgrown children, to be honest with you.
So
there you go. So
based on our ever popular sticker that everyone seems to want, but no one wants to send us any, but
I know.
Yeah.
Well, you better keep watching the video to find out how you can get yourself some free t-shirts.
They are, but I can't see.
The RB engine's back, and hopefully it's going to be in that very soon, so we can check things out. Jimmy's scooter's done, so that's going back very, very soon. In fact, we'll give him a ring in a bit.
Hello.
Hello, I am a Nigerian prince. I have lots of money for you.
And we weren't even filming that bit. He does it all the time. He fell over earlier and we weren't filming.
I don't even know why I pick the phone up. I just get abuse.
Well, no, I wouldn't say you get abuse. Well, you do sort of. Yeah, you do. You're right.
Yeah, I would do.
You're right. You do get
You
abused.
like being abused.
It's funny though. Yeah, so two things.
Yeah, come on.
Your scooter's done, and we're going to drop it back. I don't know when the weather's a bit better, because I know you're not in a rush for it. But
Yeah,
me and Dom were
true.
talking about we're going to do some different features on the channel, and we wondered if you'd be interested in having a chat about your Series 2.
Yeah, come on then. I'd love to.
T-shirts, right?
Yeah.
We're going to give 3 T-shirts away in this video. Free. I know. 3 free. All you got to do is drop some comments below and tell us what projects you're working on now.
Just one comment each.
Yeah, 1 comment each, and then me and Dom will randomly pick 3 people from the UK, and we'll pay for the postage as well as the T-shirt, and we'll send it out to you. Can't say fairer than that. So, comments below. Obviously, tell us what you're working on scooter-wise. Nothing else, thank you. And then we'll post. We'll notify you on YouTube, and then we'll post them out to you.
There you go. And in the interest of being fair, I'll tell you all, I am open to being bribed.
Yeah, he is. He doesn't know what you're doing. Fucking camera though.
I ain't got a freaking clue. Yeah, I have. See? Look at that. Oh, actually, from there, and you can't see the chins. See ya.
So we're just offering the RB engine up to see if the exhaust will clear the bodywork and if everything else will clear. So I'm just going to put you down here while we do it. Or over here even. So the RB's in. It's really close on the cylinder head to the frame, so we are going to have to put the offset cones in to give it a bit of clearance. But we found the right rear shock, so we know that everything will fit properly. The next thing you're going to see is with the bodywork on, so that we can check clearances for the exhaust and all the other bits. Right, so the good news is that it appears that everything that we need to clears nicely. So, which is good news. So that means that we've managed to get everything pretty damn accurate. Let's show you the exhaust this side. Okay. So the exhaust tucks nicely under there. On the rear end's going to come off.
Click, 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 click.
Yeah. Quick release. And the whole lip will just literally lift off. That's the whole idea of it.
Tank in there.
Yeah.
Plate on there. Running off of there. For the electrics. So we can literally run. Drill and tap that. Run a little plate on there. Have the coil. The CDI straight down into there.
Yeah.
Wire.
We're getting excited now.
And then maybe a water it for a battery pack if you want to run.
Yeah, some lights and what have you.
and that.
Right, well that's going to be the end of the video for today. Once again, thank you very, very much for watching.
You're welcome. Oh, sorry, I thought you were spanking me. Don't worry about it.
Don't forget, leave some comments, subscribe, give it a thumbs up because it really helps with the channel. That's about it. We'll see you in the next one. It's bye from me.
And it's bye from him.
That's right. It's bye from both of us.
Yeah.
See ya.
Laters.